or go to b2p2.com, click on the calculus button, and let's go down to the first derivative test where we're taking the first derivative. And I believe this is the one right here we're going to be looking at. So let's click on that. And look at that, 2-2 just came up. Well, this looks like a cool one here to work on, but if you didn't like it, you can click on the problem here and change it. Anyway, it says find all critical numbers. Here's h of x, so let's write that down. We have h of x is equal to negative x minus 10 quantity squared plus 6. Okay. So let's just talk about the graph here real quick. So this is the graph of h of x. And the reason for the red dot here is, well, if you go, the x coordinate associated with this red dot is actually going to be the critical number. Okay, so I'm just telling you that. And also I want to say something else. Let's look at the graph. The graph is, we read these from left to right, the graph is increase. As your x value gets larger and larger, your graph increases, and then it gets to this point right here, and then after that point, then it starts decreasing. Okay, so this critical number helps us identify where the graph is increasing and decreasing, and not only that, it helps us to locate that relative. We're going to call this the relative, extreme of relative, meaning right in this area. Okay, just in this area. Alright, well, let's move over to the whiteboard and write this down here to find that critical number. So we have h of x is equal to negative x minus 10 quantity squared plus 6. Alright, and so we want to take the derivative, so that's going to be h prime of x is equal to x minus 10, and we don't need to multiply all that out. So there you go, there's the derivative. Then what you want to do is set it equal to 0. Let's plug c in for x. Right, in other words, we want to find the solutions to this equation right here. See that? So as you can see, when we let c equal 10, okay, in other words, 10 minus 10 is 0, and there you go, both sides are equal to 0. So this is your critical number right here. Should I spell it out? This is the critical number. I don't do much writing. Try to not do that. Anyway, so this is the critical number right here. Okay? And that critical number helps us locate where the graph is increasing and decreasing, and also where there is a maximum or a minimum. Let's hit the answer there, make sure that's correct. We said it was 10, and there it goes. So let's not make a big deal. That's all you got to do. That's no big deal, right? Alright, we're go to math.com, and I'll see you there. Bye.